Do you wake up at 3 a.m.? Are you paralyzed by indecision? Is your attitude suffering? If so, stay tuned. I can help with that. Hi there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to build a healthy, happy life. Today, it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays, we share one tip a week related to a common theme. Our current theme is how to rest when stressed. Today we have tip number 2, and tip number 2 is to work out what worries you. Now, if you're old enough to remember Crocodile Dundee, he actually said it best when he said, "Worry is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it gets you nowhere." And he is absolutely right. Worry feeds indecision, and indecision feeds worry. And pretty soon we are just biting our nails, paralyzed by indecision and worry. But there's an antidote to worry, and that's action. Action is actually the antidote. So if you're worried about something that you can do something about, then by all means, do something about it. But if you're worried about something that is totally beyond your control, say for instance a political issue or an environmental problem that you just don't have the resources to tackle, then do something else, because action is the antidote to worry. For instance, if you have a teenage son and you're worried that he's going to fail his science test, should you just sit on the couch and bite your nails? No. Bring him to the kitchen table, prepare some flashcards, and get him ready for that test, because that is something that you can proactively do something about. However, if you're worried about a situation that is totally beyond your control, then do something else. Go for a run or a walk. Work in the yard. Get together with a friend. Do something. And if that doesn't work, do something else, because action is the antidote to worry. While stress is unavoidable, it does not have to control our lives, dictate our emotions, or rob us of rest. By recognizing the symptoms and triggers, we can act instead of react, and turn it into a source of energy and motivation to accomplish our goals, nourish our bodies, and rest at the end of the day. If you've enjoyed this Tip Tuesday video, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscription button, and ding the notification bell so that you get a reminder when we release our weekly video. And for a more personalized program, check out our Everyday Vacay e-series. Just visit TammyTalk.com, hit that shop tab, and check out the entire series. We will be opening registration soon, so come on over, pick up your free introduction in Lesson 1, and join the class. We look forward to hearing from you. Here's wishing you health and happiness.